Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel and Merry Christmas. That sounds so corny. Hello everyone and Merry Christmas and thank you so much for joining me on this special day of the year. That also sounds corny. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and Merry Christmas. I thank you so much for being here with me today because it's a family day and it's so special, and Christmas just has all of those wonderful meanings for, everybody. I don't know, I find that in Jamaica, or maybe I should speak for myself, but my family, we look forward to Christmas Day. That's a day when we know everybody will make the time for us to all get together and have, that wonderful meal, and we can tell stories, we can run jokes, and just the family will be together. Today, we're just giving thanks. We're giving thanks. And speaking of giving thanks, so in America, they make a really big deal out of Thanksgiving. And I find that our big holiday where we, everything revolves around family and around eating is Christmas. So I just want to wish all of you guys a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. And I hope that you are enjoying yourself and your belly is full. So I just wanted to do a video on how to make Christmas special. So, I understand that Christmas has different meanings for different families, and I just kind of want to share some of the things that my family will be doing, some of our traditions, and maybe, it's not too late that you guys can incorporate some into your Christmasing today, or maybe for next year you'll kind of, figure things out and realize, hey, let me add that, or let me do this different. So I do realize that for a lot of moms, you're trying to manage the expectations of Christmas because everybody, all your kids are looking at you like, okay, well, what's mom gonna do? What's Santa going to bring us? And oh, how come these people have these decorations and we don't have that? And it's just a lot of build-up and a lot of stress on moms and dads to be able to try and keep up, or to be able to provide things for your kids that, this year it's a little difficult. So I just want to say, let's not focus on the presents, okay? It's really and truly, today is not about the presents. Today is about our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. And we need to kind of remember that. And that's one reason why you will never ever see me write the word Xmas. I don't take the Christ out of Christmas. And I think that in making this holiday very Americanized and, just shopping down the place and very commercialized, I think that we've kind of forgotten what Christmas is about. So let's kind of bring it back, all right? Let's bring it back. Let's bring it back to baby Jesus and, what happened today. Today was the day, today's Jesus's birthday, and why Jesus came onto this earth. And then let's kind of, revolve more around family. All right, so one thing you guys can do today is you can play some games. So you can look up some minute to win it games, and they use items around the house to make these ridiculous and crazy games, and they're really a lot of fun. Go outside, play some tag, play some lime and spoon, just, anything to make the family laugh and to spend some time together. It's not all about presents. It's not all about presents. And you don't have to revolve it around, sitting down under the tree opening presents, because who has that many presents to open? Well, I know I don't have that many presents to open. But anyway, go outside, go play a game, go have some fun. Just Merry Christmas it, minute to win it. Just have some fun, play some games, play a prank. Play a prank on, alright, not the mom. Actually, she's been a little uptight. Play a prank on, the matriarch mother. I'm gonna drop in a prank here that we played on my mom in, I believe, 2016, I think it was. Oh my gosh, she's gonna kill me for putting this in here. But anyway, take a look. Okay, mom, see if this works even after eating, right? So if you do it, so mom, if you do this, right? You taste salt. I can taste it. Put your head back and pretend like you have a salt shaker and shake the salt and see if you taste the salt on the back of your tongue.
Let me do it too.
Right? You taste the salt? Do it. Pretend like you have a salt shaker.
That is so weird. Yeah.
You taste it too?
I taste it too.
This is embarrassing.
Johnny's so red.
Breathe again, Nandi. Taste that, Nandi.
All right. get the family together, make a gingerbread house, make some cookies, bake that Christmas cake. Some of these things, you know, may not be things you're able to do today, but you know, I just wanted to talk about how to make Christmas special on a whole. So, you know, jot these down for next year. And you know what? I just find that you can get together and do this tomorrow. Like, there's no bounds, you know, just have some fun. There's quite a few gingerbread houses that I see for and now back. That I've seen for sale here locally. And of course, if you're not into the gingerbread houses, because sometimes you decorate them and you leave them there for all a week, and by the time you get around to eating them, if the ants haven't, make some sugar cookies, decorate them with the kids. Something that I did last year was on Christmas Eve, I invited over all the cousins and we decorated cookies and we made reindeer food, which is oats mixed with glitter, and then we sprinkled it outside so that the reindeer would know where to come, so Santa would see where to drop all the presents. And it was like a cool little activity. You know, I made hot chocolate for the kids, we decorated cookies, and we made reindeer food and sprinkled it outside. Christmas carols were playing, and it was just really cool, and I really enjoyed those cookies. Anyway, now I've been seeing a lot of advent calendars and they're quite easy to make. So what an advent calendar is, advent, the Latin word, it comes from the Latin word advent. No, advent means the coming. So you're counting down to the coming of the Lord. Is that right? I don't think that's right. Okay, no, it has something to do with the 4 Sundays in. It's a countdown calendar. Okay, an advent calendar is a countdown calendar, and it's quite simple to make. So you could really get like something with some pockets, like, you know, those shoe holders things that go on the back of the door. You can also make something with just some little doors that you open, and it usually has 24 pockets or 24 doors. And each day as you count down towards Christmas, you're just going to open a pocket, open a door, and there's a candy inside. Makeup companies have started to do them where you open and you get like a little blush one day, you get a little lipstick one day, you get a little foundation one day, all kind of foolishness. So at the beginning of Christmas, you could make an advent calendar with your kids, and you know, every day you could just open that, and it's a cool little way to, you know, hype up Christmas and do a countdown and just get, you know, just get the creative juices flowing and involve the kids with cool DIY advent calendar. And you can put anything in those pockets. You could put little toys, you could put sweeties, you could put prayers and love, you could put little messages on a little paper and put them in the doors. So let's say you don't have like a ton load of presents, you know, so you want to concentrate on the one gift that you were able to get your kid. That's cool, no problem. So you want to build up the suspense. You want to make it seem like a big deal. You want to take up time, because you don't want the picnic just open the present and it's just like a scavenger hunt. So this will take a little bit of time, but I am so good at scavenger hunts and I really like making the clues. So start a little scavenger hunt so the kid is like running all over the child, your child, the love of your life, running all around the place, looking for the clues, trying to figure them out. And by the time, you know, 7 or 8 clues down, they found the present and they're absolutely tired. So they'll open the present and just take a chill pill. I don't know, kids are like super hyped up on Christmas Day. Like super, super hyped up. Elf on the Shelf. Okay, so I don't have one of these just because I feel like I would go overboard with it, and if I don't do it properly, then I would just feel. But anyway, Elf on a Shelf is this little small little dolly, and it comes with a book. And what happens is every night you read this book, and the elf goes back to Santa and reports the child's behavior. The kid reports the child's behavior to Santa. And when the elf comes back into your home to let you know that, hey, I went to Santa to tell on you, he comes back in a different position. So you have like all of these things on Pinterest of how to position your elf, and it's quite cute, but it's a lot. And my kids aren't old enough for Elf on the Shelf yet anyway, but the elf is really cute, and I've seen some people do some really creative stuff. It's very funny. Anyway, so you could do an Elf on the Shelf, and it doesn't have to be this elf. You can actually just take a dolly or something that you have, and you can create your own story around that. But I think it's kind of cool that the elf goes back and like reports. Actually, that's informa elf. That's, you know. Anyway, I think it's cute. Sing Christmas carols. Get together and sing some. I can't even speak English today. My belly full. It's Christmas. All right, so get together and sing some Christmas carols. Put on, you know, some YouTube carols and just sing away. everybody just seems so much happier on Christmas Day, and there's so much to be thankful for. And I think that's what we need to concentrate on, being thankful for what we have and not thinking about all the things that we don't have. So let's be thankful, let's sing some carols and make a joyful noise unto the Lord. What's my favorite Christmas carol? I don't know, I really like, is it a Christmas carol if it's not like godly? I really like the Mariah Carey Merry Christmas. Merry. Make some eggnog. Smack the eggnog. Make some eggnog. I really like eggnog around the season, you know. I just think it just reminds me of Christmas. And I love when you just shave the little nutmeg on the top. Ooh, and it's like an activity because nutmeg take a while to mix, you know. But anyway, make some eggnog. And moms, just add a little white rum. My family, what we do is we have Pixie, just simply because I do not need my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, my brother-in-law, my sister-in-law. I don't need everybody to be buying me a gift. Like, honestly, it's not necessary, and I don't need to put the additional stress. Actually, this was not my idea. So my sister is an absolute Grinch. She is a hairdresser, so of course this is her busiest season. So she'd always complain, she'd be working late hours, and she's like, you people think I have time to go and shop to the mall and buy this one a present and that one a present? And then usually around Christmas time, I go away to do some of my shopping, and everybody would give me a list. So by the time I'm finished shopping for all of their things, I'm like totally exhausted. So my sister came up with a great idea to do a Pixie, and it has worked out so well. We've been doing Pixie for I think almost 5 years now. It's a lot less stress, and instead of $20 here, $20 here, $20 there, we can put our money together and get our Pixie a really nice gift. And I just find it a little bit more thoughtful, and it's so stress-free. So maybe you could think about next year doing a Pixie, because I mean, honestly, what more do you need? What more do you need? What much more things you need? Anyway, try to make Christmas dinner, Christmas lunch, Christmas breakfast a potluck. It would be so much easier on the host. So instead of Nana cooking everything, and actually that's not changing, so you know, Nana, just don't even bother with this potluck one. Just, I'll provide the house, but you provide the food, okay, Nana? But if you want to make things less stressful, you can ask everybody to bring a dish. So what I would do is I would provide the ham. I don't cook it, but I'll provide the ham. And it will make it a lot less expensive on the host as well. And I think potlucks are cool because you get to kind of taste a little bit of everybody's cooking and what they like and what they thought was like the recipe for macaroni and cheese, which I didn't think people could mess up as much. You know how much different macaroni and cheese I've had from people? Anyway, try a potluck. Or you know what? Maybe the host could like, oh, you know how you could invite people to your Christmas dinner? You could be like, oh, you are invited, blah, 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 blah. Please bring this delicious macaroni and cheese. Please turn over for a recipe. Make your Christmas dinner fancy. Put in lots of effort. It doesn't matter if you're having a big turkey, a chicken, if you're having vegetarian, it doesn't matter. Just make it fancy. Put some effort in. Dress your table. Get a centerpiece. Light some candles. Put some of the Christmas ball decorations from the tree on the table. Set a knife and fork. Get a napkin holder or whatever, and just make it fancy. Put some effort in so that, you know, it looks beautiful and people feel appreciated. And I just find that for Christmas Day, I just don't want to be eating off of plastic plates. I've spent the whole entire I've spent the whole entire year looking forward to this day, to spending with family. Let's make it special. Let's dress it up. Let's just do up the table, and you don't have to spend any extra money. Just set your knife and fork and and you know what? I'm actually using disposable plates, but I'm using nicer ones. Like, I'm not using the little flimsy plastic ones. And you know, I've got a table runner, and I'm just gonna make it just so amazingly beautiful that people stand up and be like, wow, okay, this looks good. I want everybody to come, and I want everybody to enjoy, and I want everybody to feel that togetherness, that it's Christmas. I can't wait to eat. Okay. You could have next year, instead of having Christmas dinner, you could have Christmas breakfast. Now, in Jamaica, we have a whole lot of breakfast options. So you could mix even some Jamaican options with some more continental American options. And I find that breakfast options are way cheaper than like a Christmas dinner, ham and a turkey. Invite me. Yeah. Shop at supermarkets that use points. So when you're doing your regular supermarket shopping throughout the year, you can collect these points, and then closer to Christmas, you can redeem them for a turkey, for a ham, or for whatever it is that you cook on Christmas Day. And I actually found that to be the most helpful because a ham is really expensive, and so is a turkey. But I found that my regular weekly shopping, I get a lot of points. So I was able to get the turkey like for free. You're welcome. Okay, everybody. All of the amazing churches that we see online or we've read about, they're now all accessible during this pandemic because they're all going online. So get dressed. Go to a church service today. I really missed going to church with my mom Christmas morning. I know, sleep in. But anyway, she would go to like a Christmas caroling service early in the morning. And I kind of missed that going with her. It was really cool, and you get to tell everybody Merry Christmas before the sun is even up. So maybe you could join a Christmas service that's going on today. I think that would be really good, and it will help to bring you back to the meaning of the season. Today I bring you Godly Jesus Joe. It's Christmas. I think it's because of the I'm on my crucifix today. No man, you must remember what Christmas is about. Sure. Take Christmas photos. So it doesn't have to be the professional photos. I'm gonna drop a wicked Christmas photo today because I did the professional ones. But also for Christmas dinner today, I asked all my family members to wear red, and I'm just gonna set up my tripod and we're gonna take a couple pictures because my family is all together today, so we can definitely get a nice photo. And I made a little invitation on one of them little websites there where you can make invitation for free. And I just asked everybody where the dress code is. I just asked them to wear red, and we're gonna take a palm photo. And it's great for remembering, just like kind of like a little reminder of, what we looked forward to the whole year, the dinner. There's that very corny laugh again. Okay, there's so many Christmas dinners going on. If you have a big family, this one have dinner, that one have dinner, this one have dinner, that one have dinner. Why does everybody need to eat all of this food today? It's a lot of food. So what we could do is for next year, maybe somebody could have a Boxing Day dinner or maybe a New Year's Eve dinner and just kind of space it out. Everybody can eat, everybody can have their dinner, just maybe not on the same day. Invite me. This is a big one. So for the past, I think it is 5 years, I've been helping out my friend Alexis Chin. She's been working with the Sandals Foundation, where they go to Riverton City and they provide the children there with toys on Christmas Day. So the first year that it started, I actually went with them early in the morning to help distribute toys. And I haven't been back just simply because I can't figure out how to make things work on Christmas Day with now 2 children. But I do buy toys every single year to be able to donate to the charity, and I go and I help wrap them. And I just feel like I'm in a position where I can give, and I do like to give. And it was so rewarding to see those little children on Christmas Day and see them so happy, and being able to get a gift that, is just so, I knew I bought some really cool gifts this year. I bought some punching bags with some boxing gloves. I got some really cute dollies and some prams, and I'm glad that I could make someone else happy today, because today is all about, to me, today is all about giving. It's all about being nice, and I do quite a bit of charity work, even though you don't see me advertising it all over my social media. I do like to give, and I do like to make other people happy, and today is a day for that. And I just want to thank Alexis, and I'll drop all the information for the charity in the comment box below. And donate to charity. And I really do, one thing that I really want to do next year, next year, I want Levi to come with me, because I've been trying to explain to him, that he is very fortunate, and I don't think he quite gets it. So he'll be asking for this toy and asking for that toy, and though I do say today is not a buying day, I want him to understand and appreciate what he has. So maybe next year I'll take him with me early in the morning to give toys out to the kids. This year, instead of just Riverton alone, Alexis is going into the surrounding areas, and I think it's going to be over 800 children that get toys this year. So that's really amazing. So I just want to commend her on her initiative, because I love children, and then Christmas is being made specialer for them by just getting these toys. And I think also too, I think this happens as well, that they get like a little snack and they get some juice and, you know, all kind of excitement. It's Christmas Day and the kids are, I think they're at their school. They go to their school and that's where Alexis comes in with all the toys. They bring in some snacks, they bring in some juice, some pudding, some cake, some all kind of excitement. So yes. Anyway, guys, I need to get back to my family. It is almost dinner time. I think I finished setting the table. With this table setting, you know, I have to go onto Google and make sure the glasses are in the right place, because I don't know if you've watched my channel before, but I'm a little crazy. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a great day today. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and chill out. Like, honestly, it's about family. It's about being together. And don't spend Christmas being a Grinch. You're not for giving a present. Just give a smile. Anyway, everybody, that's it. Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. Say hello to friends and hoes and everyone you meet. And if all else fails, just drink some of that spiked eggnog. Bye, everybody. Have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.
Wow!
Chubs, yeah,
Wow!
okay.
Very nice.
Diva, don't make work for me. I just packed that up about Santa Claus. Don't make work for me. Levi, what is all of this? Go get it, go get it.